Another cool feature in MoreSolds is the leads section with lead capture forms or web capture forms. I'm going to go all the way to the leads tab and I'm going to pull up the leads section. Now the leads section is very simple. You can download the leads user guide. I strongly recommend you download that and read through it. It's only a few pages. Leads are a variety of prospects that have decided they need more information from you. They filled out a form on a website and that form drops their information directly into your MoreSolds CRM. Now, let me show you how to create a new form and then we'll look at the leads themselves. You can view the lead forms that you already have by selecting the click here to view lead forms. Or to create a new lead form, you simply select create a new lead form. Decide which kind of lead form you're going to use. You can use a complete lead form, which is our long form, or the mini lead form, which is a smaller version of it. This smaller version just asks for first name, last name, and email address, whereas the complete lead form asks for a lot more information. You can name your form. You can auto-assign the subscriber to an email campaign so that anytime someone fills out the form, they automatically are enrolled into an email drip campaign without you doing anything at all. It's another great feature of MoreSolds. Step 4, you would select the type of lead capture form. We're going to use one. This is for seller leads. You can customize the forms header. That's the header text there. Then you can select the colors that you want to use. You can select preview to preview your form. If you like what you see, all you've got to do is save and close. Before that, let's create our form code. By the way, please send me a notice when this form is submitted to my default email address. I have that checked so that anytime someone fills out this form on my website, it's going to email me and let me know that I've got a new lead and I need to follow up on it ASAP. So here we're going to copy the code that has been created, and once I've got that information copied, I'm going to paste it into my website, the back end of my website. Now let me show you what it looks like when that information has been pasted there. So here you can see I've created a website. And you can see that this is my short sale site, and on the Selling My Home tab, when anyone clicks that, there's the form. All they've got to do is fill out the information, and that contact will show up right in my MoreSolds database. So Karen Smith is at my website, and she's filling in her information. Now, once I'm back on my MoreSolds contact management screen, I'm going to refresh it, and you can see that Karen Smith, this prospect that just came to my website and filled out the information, is now here in my lead section, and she's also part of my database. If I hit view, it's going to take me directly to her contact record, which MoreSolds has created. Go back to leads. The other thing about this is that Karen Smith or any of these, I can move them from the leads section, but they'll still be in my contact management. I'm just removing them from the leads manager. You would think of this lead section almost as a lead incubator. This is where you're working and massaging those leads and coming here to know which leads you have to work on. By the way, you can assign a lead to any team member simply by clicking and assigning it to that person. It's that simple. Now when that person logs on, they'll see that they have a lead that needs to be worked. And that is the leads and lead capture forms section of MoreSolds.